In this video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Kick, then I'll show you some of the features of the website. So what you first need to do is go to kick.com, and once you're here, you then need to go to sign up in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and click on the green sign up button. Then you need to enter in an email, your birthday, a username, and then confirm that password. Once you've entered in all of those fields, you can then go ahead and click on sign up, and then you're going to need to verify your account. You can do this by email or SMS. I'm going to go ahead and do it by email, so I'll click on receive by email. Then I should get an email here from Kick. So here is that email. We can now open that email, and if you scroll down here, you should see a verification code. My email has been sent in dark mode for some reason, but we're going to copy this code here. So highlight it all, then click copy. Then go back to Kick, and then you want to go ahead and paste in the code here. So paste in that code. It will then accept the code and show you their terms of service, which you can then accept. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to the Kick dashboard, and this is going to be their homepage. So on Kick, on the left here, you've got all of the people you're following. This will show when the people you're following go live. You've got recommended, you've got featured streams, and the top live categories. Now you can go ahead and click through any of these categories and then watch these streams which are currently live. If you go to the top right hand corner, here's where you're going to be able to go to your channel, edit your subscriptions, and if you do stream, you'll see all of your analytics on the creator dashboard. But that's how you can sign up and use Kick.